Wagwan, it's your girl Dominique, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. So as you saw from the title, I cut my hair off. Your girl is bald. Let's just hop into the video. I've been following a few wig influencers on TikTok, but EKANE is my favorite. Well, actually I have two. I forgot her name, but I think it's like EKANE. She's also like really more so like educational. You know, EK gives me entertaining, but I think her name is EKANE. I gotta double check her and get back to you guys. So I get this, and I'm also recording for TikTok. Alright, we're gonna let this dry, and I'm gonna come back to you with her name. I'm gonna look on TikTok for her name. Her name on TikTok is IamAlex.Lewis. I hope I'm saying it right, but she's an awesome content creator. Like, she's super duper educational. I'm gonna do another layer. Why y'all ain't tell me I forgot to cut my ears out? Y'all just hit me here with the ear in. Hold on, let me go take care of that. I'm back. So I bought this in Athens. I just went through Greece, as y'all know, and I love it so bad. It literally doesn't leave any like residue, which if you wear wigs, you know that is a huge problem that we face. After a while, the products start building up, and so after the video, I'm using my TikTok camera. If you've been following me, you know, matter of fact, I'm gonna shift this over a little bit for the yeah. My first video was a disaster. It was so funny. I'm just learning this YouTube stuff, guys. Ooh, wait. All right. Alright, so the glue is getting tacky. While that is going down, we are going to get some makeup. On the lace. Should I put makeup on my hand or directly? Alright, I'm going to do this so I can control it. If it's any makeup in here. Oh, there we go. Leave it for you guys. That's your release. I had a chance to go get it, so this will do. So y'all, I was being impatient and I went in before. So right here, basically, I gotta get fixed. So I'm just putting the Invisifix. Hold on. Putting the Invisifix on here, and then I'll come back. Now it's time to put the makeup on the hairline, guys. All right, guys, this part is new for me, so let's see what we can do. I see people put the wig on, right? I see them put the wig on. And then they pull it to where they want it to go. So we're gonna pull it. And then once it's like that, I see them pull it back. Do I have space for that? So I'm just gonna leave it here like this. This is just like a kind of a quick install kind of thing that I want to do. I don't want it to last forever. It could come off because like I said, this doesn't leave any buildup, so I can put the wig on back like every 1 or 2 days. It's not that serious to me, but if you're just maybe going out, this is probably what this install is for. This is a mess. So we're gonna apply as much glue of your choice. It has to be whatever you want to do, as you're comfortable with, and kind of just use a blow dryer. Be tacky. That's all you want. Which it is right now. So let's go. So I pulled the wig down. I was terrified, y'all. I'm gonna get my wig band. I was terrified. Then I got just on the ear part of it. What am I need to secure my head. So let's cut the lace. Can you guys see? Wait, let me come over here a little bit. Make sure you guys are And on the action, do the same thing. Alright guys, things are looking kind of good. So I'm going to get some baby hairs right here. So I'm just going to grab some here. Hold on. I wonder if this is too much. And hold on, let me take a little bit. Wait, can y'all see? Okay. Okay. I'm really not good with baby hair, so this part might not be the best, but I try. If you don't like it, I'm sorry. I'm not good with baby hair. I be asking my sister to help me with the baby hairs. I wonder, do I look crazy? I'm sorry. We're gonna have to fix that later on. Alright guys, so I'm done. I called my sister to look at my hair. She said my edges are too thick. I do not know how to solve that problem. I told you I'm not that good with the edges. But I hope my video helped you to, you know, step out and start learning how to, you know, do your own hair. I like it. If you have a suggestion, I would love for you to comment down below. I will be definitely getting more wigs to practice. I think my next one will be a body wave. I've been looking for body wave wigs to try next. But bye. Thank you so much.